already noon time. I hope you guys doing fantastic. Happy weekends. Happy weekends ahead. And as usual, husband is driving. We are now in state of New Mexico. This is now mountain time. In United States, there are 4 types of time zone. Pacific time, Eastern time, Mountain time, and Central time. By the way, someone asking me why I'm not wearing seatbelt, because I am not sitting down in the passenger seat or in the front seat. I usually sit down in the bed. So, yun guys, there's no seatbelt here. I am comfortable here, but once in a while I sit down in the front seat. I'm gonna stop here guys for a mandatory break. Hi guys! Magsa-shoutout ako dito kaso na nakalimutan ko yung kopya ko. So, I'm going to the truck again. Hello guys! Nandito na ako sa aking picnic table. Akin talaga. Okay, dito na ako magsa-shoutout. Shoutout to Luna Kagandahan. Hello! Shoutout to Karin Garcia. Hello! Shoutout sa dalawa niyang anak na sina AJ at Bea from Santa Mesa, Manila. Hello! Galing yan kay Luteski Canlapan. Shout out to his wifey, Merena Rua from Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. Hello! Galing yan kay Gregorio Rua. Shout out to her family from Texas and LA. Galing kay Raynin or Raynine. Shout out to Travis Genter. Hello! He's an American but his fiancé is a Filipina. Good luck, sir. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Shirley from Cebu with love. Oh, ganda to with love. Hello. Thank you. Shout out to Rudel and Erica Nazareno from San Diego, California. Hello. Shout out to Michelle Fisquiles. I hope I'm right. Hello. Shout out to Louis. He's working in Abu Dhabi. Hello. Shout out to her dear hubby, Mohinder, Tagaytay, Philippines, and her family from Santiago City, Isabela. Hello! Galing yan kay Francisca Razo. Hello! Shout out to Mr. and Mrs. Aaron and Ermeline Arsiga. Hello, sir! Thank you! And sinashoutout ko yung pamangkin ko na si Valerie. Hello, buding! Shout out to Imelda and Jerry from Hayward, California. Hello! Shout out to Moral family from Richard Moral. Hello! Okay guys, yun lang. See you later. Maglakad-lakad muna ako dito habang nagbe-break time kami. It's hot, it's sunny, but the wind is cooler. I can feel now the autumn is coming. Is it autumn now officially? I am checking the placards. Yeah, because we are hazmat loads. So far so good naman. Lahat sila nakadikit. Yeah. Sine-check lagi to ni Mr. Yes guys, nakahinto na naman kami at wala akong magawa. I'm cooking pancit, noodles. Basta nagluto ko ng pancit. Ayan. No carrots, no cabbage, only onion, garlic, salt and pepper, and chicken in can. That's it. And a little bit of soy sauce. Yun lang guys, bites na yun. Here's my finished product. Tasty daw. And honey will do the shout out later.
No, I don't.
You will do shout out later. Right, honey? Why not? It's fun. Come on.
Yeah.
Filipinos are nice. Hiya siya, guys. My honey is shy a little bit. Naubos namin yung pancit, guys. Yes, kumakain na asawa ko ng pancit. Yan. Mga ibang Filipino food din. Walang cabbage, walang carrots. Basta may asin lang at saka pepper at saka garlic and onion. Then, okay na yun. May nilagay naman kami na chicken in can. So, yeah guys. Ubos namin. So, next time naman yung ibang magpapa-shoutout. Baka bukas. Good night everyone. Bye!